Glad you came. Hello everyone, I am Saiasmi Gupta and I'm 10 years old. I am the co-founder at telesolokids.com. So today we are going to learn a new topic, polymorphism in C++. So without any delay, let's get started. Damn! Okay, so I'll minimize the screen. Okay, and I'll keep you guys here. Yeah, C++ polymorphism. Yeah. So polymorphism means many forms. Okay. So polymorphism means like lots of forms, like lots of forms. Okay. So in coding, it is a combination of inheritance and method overriding. So in coding, when we use polymorphism, it is basically a combination of inheritance. Basically, we use inheritance and we do method overriding as well. So let's see an example. Okay. So we have made our base class as class animal. Then we have done public. We have made what do you call this? Yeah, method, and it says see out the animal makes a sound. Okay, now we are making a derived class, or I should say a child class, and you're doing inheriting our child class, the pig class, from our animal class, our parent class. Okay, then we are doing void animal sound. Say out the pig says pee pee. Okay, so from here, when this animal sound came up in the pig child class. Okay, when this came, like it was in the animal. This animal sound method came in our pig class, right? But our pig class has its own animal sound method as well, which is the same name as our animal sound method, which is over here. So basically, this method will overwrite this animal sound. Okay, so basically it will overwrite. Basically, here we have written, and on top we are writing another method. Basically, it's gonna overwrite it. Okay, it's gonna overwrite it, and now pig has its own animal sound, and there is no this animal sound method. Okay, in it. So we do see out the pig say pee pee. Well, not really. It says oink oink. Yeah, oink oink. Ah. Now we are making another child class, and it is also which is a dog class, and we are even inheriting it from sorry from our base class or our parent class. Okay. So then we are doing void animal sound. Now this animal sound, this method had come in our dog class, but we are making a method in our dog class, and it's having the same name, animal sound. So it's gonna override our animal sound method, which it had inherited from our base class or our parent class. Okay, so now it's gonna be inherited, so it's not basically there, and it's the dog says baba. Okay, now in our int main method, in int main, we are doing animal my animal. Basically, we are creating objects of our classes. For our parent class, our base class, we are making the object as my animal, and same with pig and dog, we are making my pig and my dog as the object. Okay. Now we are doing my animal dot animal sound. So it's gonna so now my animal will go in our base class, and it will run this animal sound method, and it's gonna get the animal makes a sound. See, the animal makes a sound. Now, my so now we do my pig dot animal sound. So this object goes in our pig class, and this method was overridden. So now this animal sound method will be called, and we get the pig stage on coin, as you can see. See, and same with our dog class. Okay, so now, right, so why do we need polymorphism? So again, if you want to use, of course you have written the code and now you have to use it. So of course you will use it now when you have written it. So but you will again keep on repeating the same code. So that is why do not keep on repeating the code, so that you can't, like, so that you don't keep on repeating the code. You can also use polymorphism and look how less how much, like, how less this code is now, right, how small it is now. So yeah, so guys, I hope we have done polymorphism, and yeah, I hope you have understood it. So thank you for watching and have a great day ahead. Subscribe Saiasmi Gupta, and as you can see, I'm reading it from here. I have written it. So do subscribe my channel, guys, and thank you for watching and have a great day ahead. Ahead. Tap 3.